Can you play that again?
Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on, bruh.
What's up, everyone? It is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope everyone is having a great Christmas with their family. So today I will be installing this wig. It's going to be very easy, very simple, and straight to the point. It's a synthetic wig from Amazon, but I will put the link in the description box because, you know, it's a long name. So right here, y'all, I'm just trying to make sure the wig is as tight as it can be on my head because, y'all, I didn't get the chance to braid my hair down. I had somewhere to be, so I just had to make sure it was on my head tight, and boom. So I'm putting on my head. This wig, y'all, it didn't have like a normal parting space. I want to say it was like a T part is what it really gave. And you know how T parts are, there's not much space to work with, but a middle part. The hair was shedding a lot. I mean, it's synthetic, but you know, you brush, something gonna come out. So it was hair shedding. It was giving me like a little bit of like problem, but you know, with synthetic wigs, as long as you got some dry shampoo, your wig should be fine. So right now I'm just brushing through the wig. You know, y'all see the belly, but I'm just brushing through the wig, making sure that, you know, I can work with it at least. Basically, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna show y'all the front, me brushing. Y'all see the tangles, and then y'all see how it looks after I brush it. And then I'm gonna show y'all the back. The back part was like, it was okay, but you know, it's synthetic once again. I'm gonna keep seeing it. I don't know why I was putting makeup on the wig cap because it wasn't that type of wig. But, okay, Inga. For this next part, I'm just going to be trying to glue it down. Blow drying the glue on my, you know, head. Y'all know the routine. I ain't got to tell y'all because y'all know the routine. Y'all watch all the videos on YouTube. This is very much repetitive, so I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna use the wax stick on every install, synthetic or not. I just feel like using a wax stick, it definitely like, it just makes it more sleek. It makes it more professional, even if you ain't a professional. So I've been using my wax stick for a good year and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I did go and put some makeup throughout the part just to give it like a more realistic, more better look, I want to say. So like I said, using dry shampoo is just like, I don't know the actual perks of it, what it actually does, but it just makes it easier dealing with synthetic hair and, you know, the tingling and the shedding and all that. And just like the wax stick, I'ma always use a hot comb. Whether it's synthetic, whether it's human hair, I'ma always use my hot comb just because, you know, it gives you that flat vibe. I was actually, you know, wearing this wig for like a Christmas photo shoot. As you can see the outfit in the back. So I'm uploading this on Christmas Day. So I hope everyone is having a great Christmas. Hope you guys like this video, comment, share, and all that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.